One big misconception is that the thermostat temperature, what you set it to, is going to be the same thing as the air coming out of the vents, and that is not true. What we were trying to do here is show that it is blowing out colder. The colder the air blows, the less the unit ends up having to run, therefore saving the customer money. So the first step is to take a temperature of the air coming out of the vent. Right now we have a temperature of 54 degrees, and we'll check it again after we put in the KOOLBlue. It's been about 15 or 20 minutes, and we have a reading of 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The air conditioning will be blowing colder, and it will get to the desired temperature faster, which will equate to them saving money on their bills with less runtime on their air conditioning system.